Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set auto call for emergency on iPhone. First thing you do is scroll down from your settings, scroll all the way down to emergency SOS, tap on it. Now you have options here. You can press and hold the side button and either volume buttons to make an emergency call. In certain regions you may need to specify an emergency service to dial. Note that auto call requires a SIM card. Now we have two options under here. You can turn on call with hold and release. This means if you continuously hold the side button and either the volume button, a countdown begins and an alarm sounds. After the countdown, if you release the buttons, iPhone will call emergency services. If you choose the second option, call with 5 button presses, if you rapidly press the side button 5 times, a countdown will begin and an alarm sounds. When the countdown ends, iPhone will call emergency services. You can also choose the last option, which is call quietly. If you choose this option, it means before you can choose that, you must first enable call with hold and release. So when you choose this option of call quietly, warning alarms, flashes, and voiceover audio will be silenced when you use hold and release of 5 button presses. So there won't be any sound, but your iPhone will automatically call emergency services. You can set up emergency contacts in health by clicking on this option here. Emergency SOS will notify emergency contacts with message that say you have called emergency services. These messages also include your current location. So don't forget to set up your emergency SOS in medical ID in your health app on iPhone. So that is how to set up auto call on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.